Hello friends, welcome to Unique Designers India, and this video is about just a small update about our YouTube tutorials of aari online classes. As I told already, we are going to stop the online classes and we are going to make tutorial videos for all the aari embroidery stitches in YouTube directly. These videos will be made in Tamil in our normal Unique Designers channel, and all those videos will be made in English in this Unique Designers India channel. In this channel you are going to, in this tutorials you are going to learn about how to do each and every single stitch in aari embroidery, and I will give you the details about it in English itself. And now I am going to explain like who all can learn this aari embroidery. Generally artwork, as I often say, it is meant for all, not only for a particular group of people or any particular age group or nothing like that, and it is common for all. And I'm just going to explain about who all can who all specially can learn this. For example, like it is common for both men and women. Generally, this kind of artwork, drawing, painting, embroidery is all meant only for women in our society. But generally speaking, this especially this aari work is mostly done only by the men workers. Even I have workers here, all are men, and they do beautiful works. And I've seen even my own students and my subscriber friends. Even a small boy of 12th standard student has done this aari embroidery beautifully on a wonderful blouse, and he has sent me pictures. And there are many men subscribers like asking me about details about how to do this stitch and that stitch, and they have lots of doubts in it. And from that I came to know that even men are watching our channel and they are also trying to do this aari work with lots of interest. So not only women, everybody, like men, women, it's common for all and it's equal for all. Everyone can learn this. And now coming to the next part of categorization, I thought we can categorize it into different age groups. First, let me talk about the teenagers, especially the teenage boys and girls. It's common for both. In this current situation, like after COVID period, it is like very difficult for us to bring out our children out of the gadget world and the fantasy world they are living in, with all those online games and YouTube videos and all other gadget oriented things. This aari embroidery in YouTube, in YouTube tutorials, it will be an easy way to bring out your children from the gadget world with their own gadgets. They can learn these stitches even in their mobiles or laptops or anything, and they can use the gadget and learn something new. It is a very different kind of world they will feel in, and it has some kind of finger and eye coordination also. Not only concentrating with your gaming things, they can use the needles to get fine coordination movements with for the fingers and eyes, which gives the more concentration in what they do. Many children, like they start learning mathematics or science or any subject, any subjects in school, they just learn, but they're not able to concentrate on it and memorize it, or they don't fully understand it. But with this kind of work, they can be able to concentrate in a particular aspect, and this improves their concentration in every field. Even in studies, they can get a little more of concentration with this. This is what I feel. And then speaking about other things, it can be kind of relaxation for them from their regular lessons. Always learning, writing, tests and exams, and after all they can have this as a relaxation and a kind of stress-free thing. And next comes the 18 to 24 age group people. These people are like in their middle of their college, or after after completing college, those time they'll be able to get an added qualification to their normal degree or anything. Whenever you go for a job opportunity or anything, if you have an extra qualification, you will be given a little higher rank. Not only this embroidery, it is any kind of extra activity or extra qualification you have, it adds to your qualification. So you can learn this aari work as a added qualification to your general degree course or anything. And those are waiting for their marriage, you can design your own blouse and you can feel very proud in your marriage also. Next comes the middle age group, that is the age group between 25 and 44 years ladies. These are the main people who will need a kind of extra earning or extra income for their family. In this stage only you'll have full strength in your own body, and you can be able to support your family, and this can be a main platform for you to earn something to support your family and your hobby. You can have not a very big deal also. You can even have small amount of money with which you can buy a small gift for your children or even for your hubby. It will make you really happy. And another way I thought, it's like generally women, what we do, we finish off all their home course and then we have a small nap in the afternoon. A small nap becomes a sleep time, like 1 hour or 1.5 hours, which adds to your body weight, and you will get stressed again. Oh, my body is getting overweight, and I'm looking not nice, like that all you feel. And to avoid all that, you can start working like this aari embroidery. You will not sleep in the afternoon. You will have something to do, like you'll have a feel like I'm not able to complete it, so I should go to the next stage, and you'll get into some other work, so that you'll avoid sleeping in the afternoons, and you can maintain your body weight. It's just a simple fun thing, but it also adds to the thing, yeah, like for your physique or anything, you can say. And in another way you can see it, like if you don't get proper sleep with any kind of stress or anything, or depression, anything, if you don't get sleep also, you can try this aari work. You will get a proper sleep. You will try to concentrate in something. For example, if you read a book, you will feel asleep, so, something like that. You can try these stitches, and if you feel asleep, that's also nice. You can get a good sleep. So it's vice versa. If you don't want to sleep also, you can do this, and if you want some more sleep also, you can do this. So it is useful for everyone at every age. And next comes the age group of above 50 years, for who the children are all settled, and they'll have some kind of loneliness feeling. To avoid that kind of feeling, you can get into some activity, very important and interesting activity. Not important to say, it's an interesting activity in which you can learn more and more, and you can even dress for your own. You can even design dresses for your own grandchildren. They will get a happy mood that my grandma did this, and my grandma did this frock for me, she designed this, she did this embroidery. And when they tell that, you will also be very, very proud of it, and it will be very nice. On the whole, I'd like to say that everyone can learn this, not only this group or that group or this age group. It is like not like that. Everyone can learn, and it's very interesting to learn, and it will keep you out of all kind of stress and depression. And that's what I wanted to tell. Though my English is not very good, I think I'm able to make yourself understand like what I'm wishing to say. Hope it's understandable. And in the next videos, upcoming videos, I'll be letting you know about what are the materials you have to get ready with, and what are the timings we'll be posting our videos. And if you have to buy materials from the shops nearby, I'll give you a list of what all you have to buy. And if you wish to purchase from our online shop also, you can do it. And next video will be on Wednesday. And so I think this will be useful. And let me see, all these days I have been taking online classes, and I have improved myself, like about how to make you understand a particular stitch, making other people understand like what you are trying to do. That is speaking and language, you can make others understand anything, but while doing, you have to make people understand, and I have to make you understand in the correct stitches. So I think I have improved in that. So that's why we are making a second tutorial set for this, and especially in English. We have not made these tutorials in English before. It's the first time I'm doing, and I'm also trying to do a better thing. Let me see if I'm doing it correct. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.